So this is 2019 Ford Transit Connect. I didn't see any videos. I couldn't find any videos on YouTube. I just figured out myself, and I want to put it on YouTube so someone can use it. So it's right there. That's where the filter is. Okay, so as you see, just when you push them, okay, there's one on the other side. It pops up and it comes out, and then behind that there is the filter. It's a little big for the area, but you know, I bended it like that and took it out and put the other one like this, so it comes out like that. You see the airflow sign, so it comes out like this. Okay, so it was right there, and I pushed on the sides, bent it a little bit, and took it out and replaced the other one in the same way, and then I put this back. It was a kind of figure out thing, but no, I did it. And the way you reach there is there's this cover right there, okay, and it has a kind of plastic screws, I can say, like that, and those little things, they go in the middle of the screw. Okay, and use a screwdriver, pop this up first, then pop that up and take this down, so it's right there. Okay, when you come to that point, it will be pretty easy. Just push them on each side, take it out, change the filter, and put it back.